अगर हम किसी कैफ़े में भी ज़्यादा सारे बच्चे इकट्ठे हो जाए ना तो गार्ड्स आ जाते हैं कि यहाँ आप ऐसे नहीं कर सकते, ये नहीं कर सकते। तो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में जो मेरे दिमाग में आया था कि र्यूमर्स थी या ट्रू है मुझे नहीं पता, वही मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि ही ट्राइड टू, उसने 2 दफ़ा सोचा है पहले आई गेस, और उसकी लोग कह रहे थे उसने आंखों पट्टी बांधी हुई थी। तो वाई वॉज देयर नो वन, लाइक इतनी बड़ी यूनिवर्सिटी है, कोई भी नहीं था।
आपने असल में ना उसकी जो वीडियो है आपको नहीं दिखाई ना,
Yes.
दिखा भी नहीं सकते।
Yes,
एक्चुअली कोई भी नहीं था।
we fail as a society, I guess.
Yes, we did. Seriously, as an institution, as a society, as his class fellows, as his roommates, all of us, as his teachers, head of department, all of us. When a soul, a precious soul is lost, कोई भी वजह होगी, 400 theories हैं फिर रही हैं, दोस्त फोन कर रहे हैं, psychiatrists कह रहे हैं, जो भी, life has been lost.
Yes.
A family has lost their son. They had sent him to us to create a future, and we have failed, right?
Yes.
There was nobody.
Yes.
And और वो जो behavior कुछ कर रहा था, that is very abnormal. It is, you can't watch it.
Yes.
So he was talking to somebody that we cannot see, or he's talking to himself, और जो भी हो रहा है, ठीक है? वो मैं दिखा नहीं सकता because आप disturb हो जाएंगे सारे. So yes, we failed. There was actually nobody. कोई एक बच्चा स्टूडेंट पास होता उसके, क्योंकि उसने जो आखिरी 4-5 सेकंड लिए हैं उसमें somebody walking by can see कि ये क्या करने लगा.
Yes, exactly.
So yes, we failed. Yes, there was nobody around. We have security everywhere on the campus. By the way, why do we have security on the campus?
To maintain the order, it's necessary.
To maintain for whom?
For students.
For students.
Yes.
We've had incidents where kids, just to settle their scores, have come on campus with guns and weapons. यही लोग हैं ना, बाहर पाकिस्तान है भाई.
Yes, sir.
They have walked into the campus and having knives and guns. That was the time when there was no security on the campus, and I believed in this notion that it's a harmonious place, why bother? और यहीं बच्चों को आके गैंग्स ने मारा भी है. आज वो गैंग्स अंदर नहीं आ सकते, इसलिए आपको पता नहीं है. आपने वो दिन नहीं देखे हुए बेटे, वो 2013, 14, 15 में हमने भुगते हैं. पुलिस से पकड़वाए हैं, मारा धाड़, क्या क्या नहीं हुआ. Till a point came कि on the campus nobody would do it. फिर बाहर शुरू हो गया, हमने बाहर को भी टैकल किया. Just for you, girls like you, primarily for the females. मैं आपको सच बता रहा हूँ. Why पाकिस्तान में total there are 2,000 foreign students, 1,300 of them study on this university.
Safe environment.
65%, 35 nationalities. Just today we embraced another batch of Palestinian kids from Gaza, just right now. Why are they coming here? So the safety and security responsibility is way beyond what you imagine. But that is not to create a system which is coercive, which should be scaring you, which should be haunting all the time. No. While all of that was there, we missed out on that kid. He got those 5 seconds to end his life, which is a tragedy.
Thank you.
Please.